Which outdoor security cameras are actually worth your hard-earned money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Wyze Cam V4. This camera caught my eye with its impressive 2.5K resolution and the fact that it doesn't require a subscription. If you want a reliable camera that offers great value for home security, this is worth a serious look. The 2.5K QHD resolution means you can actually zoom in and identify a face from 30 feet away, which is crucial if something happens. It also features enhanced color night vision, so you get clear, full-color footage even in total darkness. The IP65 weatherproof rating ensures it can handle anything from heavy rain to scorching heat, which matters if your camera is sitting outside. Plus, it comes with a motion-activated spotlight and a 100 decibel siren to deter intruders on the spot. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With smart alerts powered by AI, you get notifications only when real threats are detected, minimizing false alarms. Now, some people complained about the lack of a battery option, meaning this camera needs to be wired. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a reliable outdoor setup, the wired connection ensures consistent performance without worrying about battery life. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-subscription camera for your home security. Skip this one if you specifically need a battery-operated device. Now, if the Wyze Cam's wiring requirement bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Hitelicam 2026. The Hitelicam 2026, priced at just $29.98. This wireless security camera has caught the attention of many, especially with its long battery life and free cloud storage. If you're looking for an affordable and simple solution for outdoor security, this one's a solid contender. The 2K UHD video quality means you won't miss a detail, and the full-color night vision lets you see clearly even in complete darkness. With a battery life of up to 6 months, you can avoid the hassle of frequent recharging, which is great if you're busy and want uninterrupted security. Plus, its AI motion detection technology minimizes false alerts, so you only get notified when it's important. Here's why this matters for you. The dual-band Wi-Fi support means you can set it up in different locations without worrying about connectivity issues. However, some users mention that the setup process can be a bit tricky for non-tech-savvy folks. Here's the thing though, once you get through the initial setup, it's a set-and-forget solution that works without much hassle. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want a simple security solution. Skip this one if you need advanced features or a more robust setup. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for long-term outdoor use. Product number 3, AOSU SolarCam D1. Let's talk about the AOSU SolarCam D1 Classic Kit, which may seem pricey at $299.98, but it offers some unique features. If you want a fully independent security system that doesn't rely on batteries or wiring, this is worth considering. What sets this apart is its solar-powered capability, meaning once you install this camera, you can forget about changing batteries. It has 360-degree coverage and automatic motion tracking, which means it's constantly monitoring your property without any blind spots. The 2K color night vision is also impressive, providing clarity even in the dark. The no-subscription model is a huge plus, as all recordings are stored in the AOSU base, ensuring your data is protected. Here's why this matters for you. The automatic tracking feature means you won't miss any activity around your home, capturing everything that matters. But here's the catch. It's a bit more expensive than other options. Now, for many, the investment makes sense given the features and the long-term savings on battery replacements. This is perfect for you if you want a self-sufficient system that runs on solar power. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, as it does require a higher upfront investment. Now, if the pricing of the AOSU bothered you, the next product may be more to your liking.
Product number 4, AOSU Solar Camera. Another AOSU option, the solar camera, at a much more accessible price of $59.49. This budget-friendly camera has a ton to offer, especially if you want a no-fuss installation. If you're looking for something effective without breaking the bank, keep listening. This camera is designed for easy setup with a fixed solar panel that continuously charges it, so you never have to worry about battery changes. It offers 360-degree coverage and 2K resolution, ensuring you capture clear images day and night. The automatic human tracking feature is especially helpful, focusing on moving people and giving you detailed recordings. Here's why this matters for you. You'll have peace of mind knowing that your property is under constant surveillance, without the hassle of maintenance. However, some users have pointed out that the motion detection can be overly sensitive at times. Here's the thing though, this also means you'll catch every little movement, which can be adjusted in settings. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use camera that's budget-friendly. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or a more refined setup. Alright, that wraps up a solid budget option, but the last one on our list provides a professional touch.
Product number 5, Google Nest Cam. We have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor Wired 2nd Gen, available in a pack of 2 for $234.99. If you're looking for something that seamlessly integrates with your smart home ecosystem, this is a fantastic choice. If you want reliability and advanced features, you should definitely consider this. The 2K HDR video quality is excellent, giving you clear and detailed images. The always-on power means no battery worries, keeping you connected at all times. This camera also features advanced motion detection and can even identify specific movements, like animals in your yard, which is pretty cool. Here's why this matters for you. The encrypted video and 2-step verification ensure your footage is secure, which is essential for peace of mind. However, some users have mentioned that you need a Google Home Premium subscription for the best features. Here's the thing though, if you're already invested in Google's ecosystem, the added benefits could be worth the subscription cost. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, integrated security solution. Skip this one if you prefer a standalone system without ongoing fees. So there you have it, 5 outdoor security cameras ranging from budget-friendly to more advanced options.
We've covered a variety of outdoor security cameras today, from the affordable WiseCam V4 to the more advanced Google Nest Cam. If you're on a tight budget, the HiTelerCam or AOSU's solar camera are solid picks. For more robust setups, the AOSU's SolarCam D1 offers unique features, while the Google Nest Cam integrates perfectly with smart home devices. It really depends on your specific needs and budget.